Ezibuhlungu bafowethu ezivela ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uPhili uyoze adlale ngoNovemba. Cabanga uNovemba ukuthi into yanini, unless kuzoba nomlingo-ke bafowethu akwazi uku-recover fast, but-ke uPhili uyodlala ngoNovemba. Okay, le crisis e-serious cause uPhili was signed, i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-desperate ukuthi isayine uPhili, akwazi uPhili ukudeliver immediately for i-Kaizer Chiefs, and already he was coming alright njengoba ekorile against iMamelodi Sundowns, and bowubona ukuthi okay u-exciting yena mebamba ibhola. It was just a matter of ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ekwazi ukumdlalisa kahle. So meaning that i-Kaizer Chiefs manje they are forced ukuthi badlalise oPulemodi, they are forced ukuthi badlalise oVelebay, and uyabona ukuthi ucoach akabhiliveli kuVelebay because akumanye ama-match day squad uyamdropa laphana. Into ekumele siyibuze yona-ke lana bafowethu, what is wrong nge-Kaizer Chiefs babe nama-injuries angaka? Because maningi kakhulu ama-injuries laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ulimale kuphi uPhili kanjani? Is it ejimini? Walimala kuphi uMayo before yenza i-surgery? Ejimini naye. Okay, khona la uMayo walimala emagemini, but Oshinga, okay uShinga walimala egemini, but beside ngaphandle kwegame khona nala beloku elimala emajimini. Maningi kakhulu ama-players okuvele every week kunama-player alimele ongazi nokuthi i-injury ethi ivele ivumbuke, bayalimazana, banomona noma kwenzakalani ngempela, cause bayawadinga amanye ama-player. Lama-player lawa avele alimale bayamdinga uPhili. Ulimale kanjani? No-Ikadari kunini bephuka laphana ku-Chiefs? UMthabiso Munyane ulimele laphana egrawundini, angazi ukuthi uthinteke kanjani, but-ke ulimele naye. Sithemba ukuthi i-injury yakhe ayikho long cause bayamdinga laphana ku-right back position ukuthi abhalanse, but bekuhlezi kuyi-risk bafethu ukusayina uThabiso Mlwisane. No, uThabiso Munyane man, bekuhlezi kuyi-risk cause uyazi ukuthi uzolimala almost njalo, or ngeke ivele iphele isizini lo muntu lona engalimalanga. Selimele-ke manje, and nami I can't pinpoint ukuthi ulinyazwe yini, ulimazwe obani kanjani cause uvele wahlala laphana phansi, but maybe abayibonile impact noma la alimale khona umfowethu maybe bangasisherela lana basitshele. So kumele yenzeni i-Kaizer Chiefs? Kumele isayine maybe amanye ama-forwards ngoba nangu uPhili akekho, or kumele irelaye koMdu kolo ubani uMfundo Vilakazi Mfundo uPulemodi. uModi i-winger phela bafethu, abantu singakhohlwa ukuthi uyi-winger, and uPulemodi ukhompitha vele naye uPhili kuleya position le. Bamisa kanjani? Because uModi bebafuna ukumhambisa Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke they delayed ukusayina ama-player. That is why umdlalo ofana noPulemodi ukwazile ukusurvive laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bayibhalansa kanjani bafethu indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs noPhili? Because it was gonna be umuntu obalulekile, i-face, mebuya uzobe ready na to hit the ground running immediately, or kusamele abe fit, ithatha isikhathi, waphinde wathinteka futhi mebuya recovery phase yakhe yabona ukuthi inkinga yini lento yokulimala kwama-player ngempela ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Maybe khona abantu, khona umtshide kumele ngimbuze if unayo i-intel yalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or just nje ukulimala kwama-player. Bashintshe abantu abadila i-medical team yabo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ubani lo mjida lo ngiyamkhohlwa igama lakhe, bamshintshile naye. Bashintshe i-team even ya-last year cause bebabona ukuthi even na-last year bebadila nama-injuries, or yini abantu bezemali lona begcabile bafethu ukuthi amanye ama-player avele nje alimale. I remember ubani uNdulula, I think uNdulula naye wathi u-Kaizer Chiefs behlezi elimele. Cabanga, hlezi basebenzisa no, but no, khona izinto ezi-serious abazisebenzisayo abantu, uthole ukuthi ziyabacindezela abanye abantu, but-ke mese kuphuka i-team yonke. I remember last season ngibala ama-players abe-injured throughout the season laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngabala ama-players ayi-30 something. Nike nayizwa plant ukuthi ama-senior players ayi-30 something alimele throughout the season, and khona ama-long term injuries amaningi la. Asazi bafethu, do you think Kaizer Chiefs iyamdinga uPhili? I think mina iyamdinga uPhili. Ayikho i-creative uPhili, noma ungambekeza u-number 10 Kaizer Chiefs ingadla ngaye, but uzobuya, but-ke uzobuya late laphana uPhili. Simfisele naye inhlanhla, even nabanye abalimele aboThulani Touch Mabaso bafowethu, sithemba ukuthi baba right. Sibone kodwa ngishilo bafethu indaba kaFrosler ngiyishilo, ngathi Frosler bebamdlalisa laphana ku-left back, angithi he was not ready, he was just part of ilo i-travelling team, I think bebafuna ukuzama amaqhinga ukuthi beba-surprise laphana ukuthi uFrosler ngeke adlale, but there was no way a-recover fast kanje. He might have started training maybe laphana ku-light work ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but mawubheka i-injury yakhe, well, it's not a bad injury, but-ke ngivele ngamangala ukuthi hayibo wavele wa-recover fast lo muntu lo. Maybe wazama ukumanipulate ama-teams or ukulahlekisa i-timing laphana ama-team ukuthi angakwazi ukuplana kahle, but bekazokwazi na ukumaka yena laphana ku-left back ngoba umtshiti uyastruggle ngokumaka, but I think ukuya phambili uyakwazi ukuyinika i-Kaizer Chiefs that much. I think angadlala kangcono kuNondlovu bafowethu, because umjidi ukwazi ukushaya ngo-left no-right. So imagine yena akwazi ukuba kuleya position ye-advance and uyayishaya i-target umjidi isikhathi esiningi, uyayishaya i-target akudlalwa. So it's just a matter of ukuthi ucoach understand ukuthi angamdlalisa kuphi, nanokuthi iyiphi i-best position yakhe laphana umfowethu. As the Kaizer Chiefs, cela uzibamba lana okwamanje bafowethu, sophinde sibuye.